بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Now, the second part about the automation. Now, automation knowledge is also important in today's scenario. So, let's talk about the automation. Now, automation is nothing but most of the modern engineers actually don't go to CLI and do each and everything. So, if you already know about the SD-WAN is more about the WAN automation, SDA is more about the LAN automation, and we have the Cisco ACI codes is more about the data center automation. Now, the automation is basically means that you don't need to manually configure each and every router or each and every switch. You can just push some scripts, and with the help of those scripts, you can simply automate the configurations. Okay. So already Cisco have inbuilt automation courses, like I mentioned here, which is again, these two courses are mainly covered in the CCIE Enterprise. Or a separate module, again, you have a data center automation in the ACI. I have some courses on that as well. Or if you want to build your own script, then you learn some Python scripting or, APIs. There is a separate course or DevNet, these are all the concepts which will automate the task. Okay. Because now most of the companies now want the engineers who can build once and automate many times. So which means automation is just like you build once and automate many times, which means instead of, let's say if you have to configure 500 switches, you don't need to do it manually. You can push the configs. Like, for example, let's say we did some couple of projects on the SDA where we push the configs on the LAN, push the configs on the WAN. There are many automation things. That's what exactly automation here. Okay. So now traditional engineers generally do manual configurations. Everything you do manually, where you can, most of the modern engineers will do automation deployments, like using some scripts or templates, which will be more valuable in today's scenario. Okay. That's another thing you need to know. Automation, because in the current scenarios in the syllabus, all the Cisco certifications have the separate paper called automation, which covers on that. So the automation skills will be definitely beneficial for any network engineer once you achieve that level.